How to create GitHub account. So if you want to create GitHub account, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your browser and now go with search and search for GitHub. Once you've searched, go with github.com and here you need to go with the upper right, which has that sign up option. Just click on sign up and you need to enter your email address at first and then go with continue and you need to create your password. Make sure to create a strong password. Once you've created your password, go with continue, which is on the right side, and you need to enter your username. So I'll just enter the username. Make sure that the username that you've entered is available. And if it's available, then just go with continue, which is on the right side. Now you need to verify. Click on verify. Now you just need to simply enter the code which you've received on your mail address. So just go and copy the code and paste it right here. Now you just need to simply go and sign into your account with the credentials that you've just used to create your account and go with sign in and you can describe yourself. For example, I'm just a student and continue, and you can scroll down and you can continue for free or you can take the student benefits. So I'll just continue with for free. And that's it. Your account has been created. So that's how you can create your GitHub account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.